Last year was very challenging and very eventful, but the load was made easier because of you, our partners. As the mouthpiece of Asanteman, Opemsuo Radio wishes to express our appreciation to our partners for your immense support and positive impact in helping build Asanteman through culture and tradition. We say Ayuko. Thank you, Stanbic Bank. It is no fluke that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, our listeners stay on standby, looking forward to that financial nugget that helps them build their financial management. Thank you, Stanbic Bank, on Sikamre, and of course we believe that next year of 2026 is going to be great with us. Snapchat Savings and Loans Limited, we've made receiving foreign remittances easier for our listeners. 44 branches across the country, so it's closer to them wherever they are to receive the money from abroad, from their business partners, family and friends. Thank you, Snappy Abbas Savings and Loans Limited, of course, creating wealth, touching lives. Trillium Industries Ghana Limited, we say thank you for giving us the Verna drinking water and Bigo soft drinks. You made the Yuletide very memorable, and we believe the next year will be great. Polytank, our great support, we thank you. Lesdes Boutique, thank you for the support. Budukwan Multi-Fruit Processing Limited, thank you. Throughout the whole year, we enjoy pure fruit juices and pure dry chips, no additives. And thank you for the support. Let me say thank you to Tabia Herbal Mixture, Pastor Memorial Wound Care Center, Givers Herbal, Time Herbal, ABA Herbal, Sharp Herbal, MY Ventures, Advanced Construction Limited, Maranatha Fast Food, Kasab Fast Food, Midimafo Herbal, Tuadoma Forever Herbal Clinic, Dr. Nana Kwame Aduna Spiritual Healing and Herbal Center, Dr. Caesar, Ahoda Foundation for Social Services, and of course, all the other companies that time will not permit me to mention all your names. We say Ayuko, and we believe you are going to have a successful year. Thank you very much. Opemsuo Radio staff and management, we wish you well, and we wish our partnership to be more stronger. Ayuko.